Alright, so when we checked how it will be, we found out that the text was showing up here. Again, one thing that we missed was that in the level class here, level static immovable, we needed to pass the reference of this mission start text, or simply drag and drop to here, and then when we press play, we will be able to see the changes in the real time. So this is what we wrote in the level 1. Let's go find them and kill them, and this is how it shows up. The problem here is that it doesn't it is pretty smaller here right now. So to do this, we will add, if we can go here again, mission start text, and if we can increase the size, that will be great. But for now we will simply increase the height and width. And now if we play the game again, so this is how it will show up. And if we can, yeah, so I will copy this transform component so it's much centered. And another thing that we will do is if we can increase the width, and if we increase something here too, it will be something like this, which isn't bad. So let's make it something like this, 3-liner for a reference. So this seems fine, and I will simply copy the transform or component in full, paste it here, and next thing we will do is so this is how it seems. It is pretty fine for now, and now we will replicate this dialog bar for mission failed, and that will ultimately take us back to the main menu. So simply we'll copy this public void show in-game canvas, and or we will head back to show main menu, and in the show main menu, so this is fine, and this is show in-game canvas, which is fine. But again, there are a couple of things that we have to do. We will need to assign the things first. So this was the bar, sorry, this bar, if you can see, the name of it is this is in the background. Yep, pretty strange. The name should have been the UI. I guess the name should have been UI dialog. UI dialog mission starts mission, and then another thing we will see is that if I hide it, this doesn't seem to serve any purpose here, this bar. So we will put it here, or oh yeah, so this is prefab, and we will simply prefab unpack completely so we can do changes in it. Put that to here, and now we will shift this image to the briefing section here. So it looks something like this. and now it looks much better. And now we'll save it. So this was for the level start canvas. Yep, this is our level start canvas, which does come it just looks something like this. And now we'll duplicate it and name it level ends canvas. Level ends, and we can remove the canvas name, so it's level ends here, and in-game canvas is fine. And now the level ends will look similar. And now we just need to make another another of this briefing ends. Briefing ends is not much mission end text, yeah, so we'll call it mission X end text here like this. And in case the level fails or completes successfully, we will put it here, or we can even put at the start of the level. So, or another thing that we can do is keep the same level starts as a same template for the rest. So even if the level starts or ends, we can simply change these two values, briefing here and this here. This will do a couple of things. That the memory will be much better in terms of you know, lesser game objects, lesser heap of size of on memory would be reduced. That is, memory will be much better optimized. So to pass these two onto the instead of doing this, we can simply take another value, briefing heading, and briefing heading or title text, and by default when the game starts, the briefing shows up. So if we go back to here, again this will make a code much more complicated. So if you want to do this, you can do it, but for purpose of this tutorial, either there are tons of things you can do. Make a prefab and spawn it, make a level, spawn it, and then delete it when you're done, and delete it when you're done with it. And there are couple of things like this that you can do. Another thing we can do is simply do the changes here in the, that is to make title text like this here, which we want, because a couple of canvases won't hurt our memory that much. But if you're optimization freak, you are always welcome to optimize it further. So it's not something perfect that you can look as a model for everything. It's just a sample that does the job right now. So we will not explore it any further as in a space of, as in the capacity of a optimization, as if we are a optimization freak or something similar like this. But you can do it on your own terms and times if you want to. So we will remove this title text here, or we can, if we can simply put this text here as well. So what this means is that in the level starts briefing, and at the top we can make another text. Mission start text is this. This is the briefing text, and we can simply control D to oops, I'm unable to see what is going on. Why is this not visible? So we turn this here and this level and then 1 or mission 1, or you can go on to this first level, something like this, and then you can save it. So now if we play, UI TextMeshPro. So no matter what I am doing here is not being replicated here for some reason, and we will explain this in the next tutorial.